guys, Jessica here with French Farmhouse Flair, and today I wanted to share with you this French Provincial hutch that I just picked up for a really good price on Facebook Marketplace. And I'm going to be putting it right there in this spot here. Actually, I had a cabinet there before and I've sold it because our home is for sale and I was trying to clean out, but I'm missing having it there in that spot. And I went ahead and decided to get this cabinet because it was such a good price and I couldn't pass it up. And I think it will look great in that spot. And you guys know I love a good painting project. And I love decorating, so I was up for the challenge. So I think it'll look really great there when I'm all done with this piece. And our home hasn't sold yet, so it's taking a while because we do have it for sale by owner. So life's a little bit on hold right now. We may end up listing it with the realtor though, once we get a little more serious about moving and where we're going to be going and all of that stuff. So anyways, I'm not sure what exactly I'm going to be doing on this yet as far as what colors of paint and everything, but I think I'm just going to be using what I already have, and I will share with you what I end up using on this project after I'm done, because I'm thinking I might want to do kind of a layered paint look to give it like a just like a aged look that's, you know, it's been painted over and over again, you know, different layers of paint. So that's what I'm going for. I don't know, we'll see how this turns out, guys. So follow along with me if you're interested in seeing how this project turns out. Hey guys, I just wanted to let you know where we're at so far on this project. The first coat of paint I used antique white in general finishes, and so that just one coat. And then my second coat I used the Rust-Oleum chalk paint in Serenity Blue. And now I've got one coat here on the end of the cabinet of the Seagull Gray General Finishes paint, and I'm going to go ahead and finish painting one coat on the rest of the piece of furniture here. I probably won't video the whole thing. I might just do a few more clips of the process because I'm afraid to make this video too long and maybe too boring for you guys. But I'll just share with you a little bit of each step probably, and then show you the very finished product at the end so you can see how it turned out, okay? So let's go ahead and keep working along here. Okay guys, I've got one coat of the gray General Finishes Seagull Gray paint on here, and I don't care if some of the other colors are showing through. I don't care about full coverage because I want some of the other colors to come through. Now my next coat I will be doing will be this General Finishes Pearl Effects water-based burnished pearl color. Now if you can see kind of the color right here, it's kind of that antique gold color. So I want that to go on next, and so I'll go ahead and get started with that next coat. Okay guys, I've got a coat of the that antique gold color that I was putting on. I've got a coat everywhere, one coat, and I'm going to go ahead and put my next coat of paint on because I've let this dry. And I think I'm going to be using this linen white chalked paint, Rust-Oleum paint next. So we'll see, but I think that's what I'm planning on doing next. So here we go, guys. Okay, guys, after the white coat of paint, the white chalk paint, white linen, I didn't put a real heavy coat of the white paint on top because I knew I was going to be distressing it, so I didn't care about the full coverage. But now I've been working on distressing it, as you can see here, and I'm going to continue distressing, and I need to do quite a bit more, especially on this side and this upper part here. So I've already done quite a bit over on this side that I'm showing you, and I will continue distressing this. I'm not going to video the whole thing. I don't want to bore you with that, but I want to heavily distress this to give it that aged look, and I think it's got a really nice aged look to it, and patina here going on. So I'm just going to continue working and distressing it, and I will video some of that for you. Hi friends, happy French Friday to you. I am very pleased with how my French Provincial Cabinet turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching the process, It was quite the process, wasn't it, guys? 5 layers of paint in all, I think, when it was, all said and done. I will probably have 6 coats on this when I'm all done because I need to put a clear coat sealer on here still. But I am going to take a little break for now on this project. But I will probably, like I said, end up putting a clear sealer coat on this. But I am very happy with how this turned out. I think it was well worth the effort that went into this project. To see the end results here, I think it turned out really nice. I hope you guys think so too. And I'm just going to give you a close-up of everything. I'm going to go around to the other side as well and show you that. And then I did use a sanding block to distress, but I also used wet distressing, and I think that worked out actually better in the end because it's not as messy, and you can just use a wet rag and then you're not getting the paint sanding dust everywhere in your home. If you do a project like this inside, it is definitely a better way of doing it is the wet distress, so it's not making as big of a mess. So anyways, guys, I am happy with this, how this turned out, and hope you enjoyed it as well, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. All right, we'll see you in the next one. All right, bye guys.